Welcome to Bite-Sized Cocktails, where AI meets mixology. Let's craft something incredible. Classic mojitos are refreshing, but they're also messy. You muddle mint, and suddenly you're chewing leaves between sips. So we asked, what if we rethought the build? Cleaner, faster, still packed with flavor. Enter the AI Mojito, designed to cut the mess and keep the magic. We gave AI a mission: keep the soul, lose the sludge. The result? A mojito with max refresh, minimal hassle. It's inspired by minimal intervention bartending, driven by real-world tweaks and tested for taste. We're not reinventing the wheel. We're upgrading the ride. The classic mojito is already great, but it has one problem. It's high maintenance. Muddling mint, balancing lime and sugar, managing dilution. It's a cocktail that demands attention. So we asked AI to streamline the workflow, like a bartender with a coding degree. The mission? Make it smoother, brighter, and bar-ready in less time. Let's break down exactly how it works. First up, the mint. You'll want 6 to 8 leaves. No muddling, no tearing, just a firm clap between your palms.
You'll first start by taking your mint, and you'll want to slap it in order to release the oils and enhance the cocktail's flavor.
Exactly. No floating green confetti, no gritty texture. Just fresh mint essence, infused, not chewed. Drop the leaves into a tall glass. Let them rest. You don't need to mash them around. This isn't guacamole. Next, 3/4 ounce fresh lime juice. We're talking real lime here. Bottled juice flattens the flavor.
Fresh lime is sharp, clean, and zesty. It's the backbone of the mojito.
Add 1/2 to 3/4 ounce of simple syrup, depending on how sweet you like it. Remember, this is a 3-way balance: citrus, sugar, and spirit.
Too much syrup? It dulls the brightness. Too little? The rum gets bossy. Keep it balanced.
Pour in 2 ounces of white rum. Keep it clean and light. No barrel-aged funk. This is the engine of the drink, not the heavy cargo.
Look for Cuban-style or Puerto Rican rums. Dry, crisp, great structure.
Then comes the crushed ice, and don't skip this step. Crushed ice chills fast, melts evenly, and stretches the drink just right. It also lets the bubbles shine through when you top with soda. Bonus, it makes the glass look like a cool oasis on a hot day. Time to stir, gently upward. This isn't a tornado, it's a lift. Pull the mint through the drink as you go.
So you'll want to stir thoroughly, but carefully without diluting your cocktail.
That gives you aroma without bruising. Now top with club soda. Slow and steady. That carbonation amplifies lime, mint, and brightness. If you pour too fast, you lose the sparkle. Treat the soda like a final seasoning, light and precise. And now, garnish a mint sprig and a lime wheel. But before you drop the mint in,
smack it once. Wake up those oils. Garnish should hit your nose before your lips. That scent? It's the opening note of the whole cocktail. Don't skip it.
now you've got a mojito without the mess.
My impression is that it is very light, crisp. It's got a very subtle lime taste. I would honestly recommend this for either a beach day, sitting on the lake, just hanging around in the summer. Sometimes it's hot, just when you want that nice, refreshing beverage.
Batch it for guests or keep it selfish. Either way, zero judgment.
And hey, if mint's growing wild in your backyard, this is the best excuse to tame it.
Want to create your own AI-powered voiceovers? We use 11 Labs for all our voice work. Check the link below to get started. It's an affiliate link, which means we might earn a small commission. No extra cost to you, but it helps keep the cocktails flowing. That's the AI Mojito. Smarter build, cleaner sip, and one more reason to love summer in a glass.
Here's to fewer steps, better drinks, and zero mint between your teeth. Cheers.
Thanks for joining us for another AI-crafted cocktail. If you had fun, smash that like button and hit subscribe. We've got more bite-sized mixology experiments coming every week. Got a crazy cocktail idea? Or want to challenge the AI? Drop it in the comments. We might just feature it in the next video. Cheers!